At 5 in Carter County today in court, 3 suspects connected to the 2020 fatal shooting of a 10-year-old girl named Liliana Davis were sentenced.
Yeah, Jason Barber II and Jediah Glover were sentenced to 40 years for second-degree murder. Zachary Scalf was sentenced to 15 years for the facilitation of second-degree murder. Amy Cochran spoke with the prosecution and defense teams about the outcome of the case.
All 3 of the suspects in a drive-by shooting that killed a Carter County child pled guilty as part of a plea agreement today. And the district attorney on the case says he's relieved to see a conclusion.
I'm glad to see a result, but I can't say I'm ever happy with any result where a child's life is taken.
According to Assistant District Attorney Ryan Curtis, Liliana Davis was a student at Central Elementary, loved by many, including her teachers. A bullet struck her through the front of her house while she was asleep on the couch. During sentencing Thursday, the judge asked Jason Barber and Jediah Glover one important question.
Why?
I don't have an answer, sir.
There's got to be a reason why you feel the need to arm yourself and drive around the county. Are drugs involved in some way?
Yes, sir.
Just got out of hand, that's all I can say.
Barber's attorney Brad Sproul says his client was sentenced to 40 years, something they thought was a fair resolution.
I don't think they've ever contested that they, in fact, did the shooting. The question was whether it was a first-degree murder or a lower charge. I believe that the state may have had some concerns about being able to prove premeditation. I think that's why we were able to reach an agreement with them.
Curtis says he's been consulting with Davis's family throughout the agreement process.
You can't really measure justice against an act that's so inhumane. So the state did the best it could. We believe the result is just, but I can't measure a punishment against a girl's life.
All 3 inmates began serving their sentences immediately. In Carter County, Amy Cochran, News Channel 11.
In court today, Scalf, who was sentenced to 15 years, says that he was only riding in the back seat of the car with the shooters. He says he did not fire a gun.